Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Tuning Magic. In this video we're gonna show you a cool card magic trick that we don't know how to describe it. It's very cool. You can fool anyone that you want. So yeah, let's start. We can shuffle the card as many times as you want. For the last time I do a full shuffle. Okay. Right now, let me do a card too. Right now. Tell spectator I can pick the first card, or please tell me to say stop. I want to make it harder, so they say stop. Let me choose not this card because it's a little. Okay, this card. Put the worst of it on it, or we can just put the first card on the top. So right now we grab the first card and we show it. It is a King of Hearts. Okay, again we put the first card like to the middle, somewhere in the middle of the deck. The King of Hearts. Okay, now we put it and we don't do anything because there's no pinky or anything right now. Just like to say stop again. They they didn't say anything, so again oops, the card fell down. It's okay. So right now then we tell them that you say stop right here, so everything is clear and fair. Again, we put your card in this time on the top of the deck and like this. Right now, tell them that you say stop at this point. So, was this your card? They will say no, it wasn't this one. It wasn't King of Hearts. So, again, we put the Ace of Heart, I think, somewhere in the middle of the deck. Okay, right here. And we put the rest of it on it. Now we start to cut the cards. Okay. Right now we can do it. We will shuffle too. Okay. Right now we tell them, please, in this time I want to read your mind. Now your card is somewhere in the middle of the deck and I don't know where, but I think I'm not gonna do anything. You're just gonna find it. So yeah, tell them you can focus on it. I'm going to say stop. They will say stop. Let me say stop sooner. Okay, right here. Now tell them you say stop right here. If you see the cards, they will say your card was King of Hearts, and if we didn't saw their card, they will say what was your card. They say King of Hearts. We say King of Hearts. Was that cool, right? So yeah, let's see the tutorial. Well, this other performance, we hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Here's a tutorial. As we said in the performance, we can shuffle it as many times as we want. It's not important. So, we can give the deck to Spactator to shuffle it because it doesn't need even a setup, a little setup. Well, we tell them, as we said in the performance, we can tell them that you can, I can pick the choose the first card or tell me stop. We want to make it harder, so it will say stop right here. We tell them we put your card on it, and now we tell them that we will pick this card, but no, we will do a double lift. We think you know what is double lift. If you don't know what is a double lift, so go and search on YouTube. You can find lots of tutorial on it. So yeah, it's a little it's a easy move if you practice it. So yeah, but at first it's a little hard. So you grab it and you pick two first cards. I in the performance my brother did in a different way, but I always do it in this way because I think it's more easier. I don't know, everyone can do it in their own ways. So yeah, we tell them what is your card. They will tell us King of Hearts. They don't know this is the second card. They think that this is the first card. Yeah, and we should not show it like this to notice it. So yeah, we put it here and we tell them that we will put your card somewhere in the middle of the deck, but this is not their card. Five of Diamonds. Their card was King of Hearts. So yeah, it's not important. So we don't need any pinky break. Just put it here. Again, we tell them that say stop again. They will say stop. When we should look. We should our three finger middle and pinky and this finger should be right here. I mean the ring finger. The ring finger, the pinky and the middle finger should grab the top card. When we like are removing this pile from the bottom pile. Look, they will say stop right here. Now their card is here. It's so easy. Just look at it because as we say in our every video, so we tell you that we're so sorry for our mistakes in our speaking. So yeah, we're so sorry. Just look at it and you will find it how you should do it. Again, and if you be quick, this would be so clear and fair like this. So yeah, this will be their card. But they don't know. Again, we tell them that we will put your card in top and top. Again, we do a double lift. Again, if you do this quick, so this wouldn't be like that. It would be like the performance. So it's a 10 of spades. We tell them that was your card, right? They tell us no, it was not. So we tell them that you choose the wrong place to say stop. Again, we tell them that it's okay. Again, we put your card. It's not their. It's not. It's the king of hearts. Their real card. As we said, we do a double lift, and it's 10 of heart. 10 of spades. They don't know that this is the second card. They think that it's the first card, but the first card is their card, the king of hearts. So we turn it and we tell them, we will put the 10 of spades somewhere in the middle of the deck, but it's their card. So yeah, we do a pinky break. So we told you many times in our previous video, you can go and check it out and learn some cool magic tricks except the pinky break. So right now we will say it too, but you just can't go and see. It's not completely, but we will tutorial it right now. So you use your pinky to break from this bell and this bell. Here it should be like this, and here it should be like this. You can see it. The spectator will still like this, but for in our point of view, it should be like this. So we start to cut the cards, and now their cards is at the top of the deck, but they don't know anything about this whoops that we done it. So yeah. Again, we tell them to say stop anywhere that they like. They will say stop here. Again, we do this. Pinky, our ring finger, and our middle. Pull out this card. And we tell them that what was your card. They will say if we, as I said, the performance. If we saw their card, they will say, so you saw it, it's king of heart. And if we didn't saw it, so they say for the first time it was king of heart. So you tell them, you helped me to find your card. I didn't do anything. I just passed through the cards, and yeah, I made the connection with you. The cards made the connection with you. You tell the story to them, and they will say, you read your mind. You find your card. I didn't do anything. So yeah, we tell them that what was your card. As I said, they will tell us it was king of hearts. Tell them, wow. It was king of hearts. So yeah, this was the performance, the tutorial. It was so great. As we said in the performance, you can fool anyone. It's a little hard for the first time. You have to practice it. As you say, go on YouTube and just search double lift tutorial, and you can find a lot of great tutorials on YouTube. So yeah, this was a trick. If you can do it very well and you practice it, so this trick will be very, very great. You can fool anyone. It's kind of a mind reading. You just don't do anything. Of course, they think like that, but it's so great and it's so cool. So yeah, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next videos. Have a nice day and goodbye.